I've always been about driving cars to their absolute limit. Sometimes too far. So we're on the quest to find the ultimate car, which will require some rather unique testing. So today we are testing the Bmw M3 E46, which voted by you is the best M3 they've ever made. No, nothing. Before we even had a chance to use the car, it was not working, and then we found out why. A mouse family had set up home for the winter on the engine, but the nightmare was they had eaten some of the wiring loom.
On the lawn!
She's wrecked the lawn. Where'd she get that from? Happy anniversary!
No!
Hello? Right, it can do a minute burnout. Burnout, 10 out of 10. Just sounds a bit ropey now.
Can we just go home?
I'm home. It only took me 2 minutes to break the BMW, so Nick was not impressed.
You're an actual liability.
So what's happening?
Well, what's happening is it's sort of like coughing and spluttering again. After we mended the mouse biting, unless the mouse is still in there and he's took some more stuff out. No matter how many times we tried to start it, nothing was working.
She's died.
Missing jump leads, right? It's like there's a vortex in this house. He's looked at it. Do you want me to do it again?
Go on, Em.
Just stared at it a bit more.
I give it the death stare, that's what I did.
You, the viewer, said that this is one of the best cars in the world, and so far it's about as reliable as a Lamborghini Murcielago. Sorry, Matt. Zero grip.
Have you stalled it?
Nope, it stopped. Not the cone over.
Can block.
That must have been the wind. I didn't hit that. No way. Precision to the inch.
Oh. What's that?
Reese, it might be a cooked mouse.
Do you reckon it tastes any good?
Fixed it.
Do you think he's remembered to turn traction off?
Nope. Do you think he remembers how to turn traction off?
Should do.
Donuts well, didn't she? What's happened to you too?
Proper whacked me on the arm, massive clump.
I got it in the face.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Look at your hat.
So donuts, that's got to be a 10. Even better because you two are dirty. Love it. Ever wonder what would happen if you're driving down the motorway at 70 miles an hour and the person in the passenger seat, the missus, who you've just had an argument with, pulls the handbrake on? Let's see what happens.
Whoa, what are you doing? Slow down. I need another handle. Ah!
That dug in, that did.
I thought we were on our roof.
I thought we were going over then. Jesus. That hit that, didn't it?
Have you seen the wheel as well? Can I have a look at the wheel?
Ooh.
The mud there, look. That's where it buried itself.
That's gone into the tyre, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what would happen if somebody did pull the handbrake on at 70 miles an hour? It'd be dangerous. Lesson learned. Don't try that at home.
So what's the rating out of 10?
10, because we're still alive.
One more go?
No. Ah! Oh my god.
No, I reckon 10 out of 10. Handbraking this is good because they're supposed to be rubbish in BMWs.
They're normally not good, but like I said to you, this one is actually a good one for a change.
Okay, so next we're going to do a poll on how good looking this car is. That's up to you. Instagram Mark McCann 64. Oh, this is going to be a good score. Looks beautiful in the sun, especially that mud on. It's Deliveroo.
Banana milkshake for the cameraman.
Thank you very much.
Loves a banana, doesn't he?
Mmm.
What are you doing, pal? Senna, Daddy broke it. Precision to the inch. So the results of the looks are in. Thank you very much, everyone who voted. 9 out of 10. Well done, everyone. It is a good looking car, though, to be fair. Thank you. Right, rear wheel drive, it's warm, it's hot, it's slippy, and I reckon we want to be a sub 36 to have a good time. I'm going to start in second gear. First is going to be too short. Ready?
Yep, 3, 2, 1, go! I don't miss this dust, you know.
Rear wheel drive is dodgy as. That has got to be a sub 36. 35.19. Lovely. So we're going to give that score 8 out of 10. It's just a nice balanced car. A lot of fun to drive. So depreciation, but what we're trying to do is appreciation. When it was brand new, she was 40k. Now, obviously they dropped a lot because it became an older car, but I bought it for 23. And why? Because it's a 77,000 mile manual coupe, the most desirable one. So what's it worth now? It's gone up. And in today's world, that is fantastic.
You've made £7.
Oh yeah. It was cheap at 23. So obviously, it's a 10. Oh.
Stuck.
Two-wheel drive, isn't it? Get pushing.
Do I need to guess what this phone call is?
No, I'm not stuck. I just would rather you'd bring the four-wheel drive with a rope just so I can say hello.
What?
Remember to bring the strap.
Got everything on the towing line. Ready? And I was like, what's that? I thought maybe Mark was wheel spinning. And I looked in the mirror and all I could see was mud going.
I've got no washer water either. I'm limited on my vision. Let's continue testing. So why are these cars so desirable? Well, they do a cabriolet version. They don't sell as well. They're not worth as much money. They also do an SMG, which is an auto gearbox. Again, not the most desirable, probably because it's harder to do skids with. And another reason is because they're rear wheel drive. So yes, they do get crashed. And also, a lot of these get converted into drift cars for the very same reason. That rear wheel drive is fantastic fun. And just as special, a manual handbrake and that button, traction off. And the traction off actually works. You press that button, you are free to play. Now this car is not going to sound crazy, but that actually is important when you come to depreciation, because this car is standard, and on a classic car, people love a standard. What are we on?
76.
76. It was always going to be that. So noise, this particular car is going to be a 6, but to be fair, that makes it worth more money, but it's still a 6. So this is a 3.2 litre inline 6. And it weighs 1,570 kg.
My scooter.
Not your scooter, that doesn't weigh that much. Plus a bit of mud, 1,600 kg, 1.6 tons. And that's why it's quick.
0 to 60 days will be 0 to 60. 5.2 seconds.
And top speed, 155 miles an hour, apparently. But we'll check that. Should though. A dyno enables you to remap cars by driving the car on rollers, so you can get to obscene speeds without moving an inch. The straps hold the car still and you can get up to top speed without getting arrested. So we want to try the top speed, but we don't want to get done by the police. So we've got ourselves a dyno. Well, we've come up with a sort of dyno.
What's the top speed?
So far about 100, I reckon we can do more, but what's happening is something's catching on fire.
Smells nice.
Okay, so everyone loves a Troyer. Now we've decided that friction is our problem. Because we want to properly check this top speed, we've come up with an idea to get the hole really, really wet. The efforts we go. So one last go, we've run out of ideas. This has got to be the one. We need success. Sun's going down. We've spent hours on this. Ready?
Let's go.
Don't leave me hanging. Ready?
Yep.
Come on! Next gear change, we're in there!
Go on!
Oh,
yes,
no.
yes,
Oh, I
yes!
missed the gear! I missed the gear!
That was 130 still.
I missed the gear.
One more go.
Right, ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
40, 60,
Oh,
80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 60.
170.
Go for your next gear.
Go! Oh, we've got 6.
Yeah, another gear. Go on. 180.
180.
Hey.
Yay! So speed, that's got to be a 10 out of 10. It does 180 miles an hour. So the E46 M3, what a fantastic car. Here are the scores, but maybe it's not the best ever car yet. Another extreme review. Drop a comment below what you want to see us do next. See you next Tuesday, 7 PM.